Today about the Arrma Typhon Grom. All right, it's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. We're gonna hit you guys with another video today. We're gonna do another unboxing. We're gonna do another unboxing with the Arrma Typhon Grom. Did this video a while back, but I never put it out. So I figured, you know, it's getting close to Christmas. It's a great price on these vehicles. You know, you're only spending 200 bucks or less, depending on if you get the brushless version or if you get the brush version, you know. So it's really a great price. It's a great deal, you know, whether you keep it stock or you don't keep it stock. It's pretty cool. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. We did an unboxing. We did a run, first run video also. And hopefully, you know, you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.
Now let's bash. Oh, I missed that. That was actually pretty cool. Nice little tabletop. Oh, oh, oh.
All right, guys. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing and you enjoyed the runtime video. So as you can see, I did change up the wheels and tires on this vehicle here. You know, I turned it into a little street vehicle. I am going to start doing speed runs with it next year. It is starting to get a little cold out here. So I really don't want to like grenade this thing into a curb or into a car or anything like that. So I'm gonna wait till the weather warms back up again, and then I will definitely have some video up of this doing speed runs. You know, I heard some guys doing 80s, 90s, you know, so, you know, hey, if I can get to around that number, if I can get this thing to 100, that would be awesome, you know, but we'll see. I mean, it's a project. It's fun. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I have here. So again, I love Castle. You know, it's my thing. I love Castle. Hobby Wing is nice also, don't get me wrong. All right, just to show you guys what I am running inside the vehicle. We have the Micro Mamba ESC. It's a 4S ESC, so I can run 4S on this vehicle. So I'm running a 9,000 kV motor, I believe it is. So hopefully I should definitely get some good numbers out of this thing. I do have the upgraded motor mount for this thing also. I haven't put it in yet, but I definitely will get around to doing that. We'll see what pinion I will put in it. Right now, I believe it's just a stock pinion, but I definitely will, you know, tinker with it and see what pinion works the best with the setup that I have. You know, I may have to go down or I may have to go up with the pinion. So we'll see exactly what works best. Again, like I said, I definitely will take this thing out and do some speed runs with it. And I'll show you guys exactly, you know, how everything goes. And that's basically it. Hopefully you guys, like I said, enjoy the video. Hopefully everybody enjoys their holidays. Enjoy your friends and your family. Whatever RC you have, make sure you enjoy that also, of course. And she got Rocky from Rockside RC. Catch you guys in the next one. Rockside out.